Paying for parking in Asbury Park is simple. To pay with cash or credit card, locate a pay station near your parked vehicle. Streets that require payment for parking are indicated by signage located on the block. You'll need your license plate number. Snap a picture of your plate for easy reference. To pay at a pay station, enter your license plate number on the alphanumeric keypad. Check that your license plate number is accurate to avoid a parking ticket. Press OK, and then proceed to insert cash or credit card. To pay with cash, insert bills or coins into the pay station. Continue to insert coins or bills until the parking time desired is reached, then press OK. If the payment screen times out and brings you back to the initial screen, simply re-enter your license plate number and press OK. When using cash, exact payment is required and no change or refunds are given. The pay stations do not accept bills over $10. Take your receipt and keep it. There's no need to display on the dashboard. To pay with credit card, insert the card, chip first or stripe to the right, and immediately remove it. Select the amount of time that you would like to be parked by pressing the More Time or Plus button. You can reduce the time paid for by pressing the Less Time or Minus button. The minimum credit card transaction is $1. Once you select the parking time desired, press OK. Take your receipt and keep it. There's no need to display on the dashboard. Payment is not required for handicapped vehicles that park in handicap-designated parking spaces. Handicap placards must be displayed. Payment is required for handicapped vehicles that park in metered parking spaces. A few things to remember. Metered parking is in effect from 9 a.m. to 2 a.m. every day. To add time to an active parking session, simply enter your license plate number, insert payment, increase the time, and press OK. Just running in? 15-minute parking spaces do not require payment, but keep an eye on the time. Visit www.cityofasburypark.com/parking for the latest metered parking rates and regulations. If you have an issue with a pay station or paying for parking, please email parking@cityofasburypark.com. To dispute a parking ticket, email tickets@cityofasburypark.com. We hope you enjoy your visit to Asbury Park.